Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This one we're going to test to see if this can desolder or depopulate these boards and can be used as a hot air station. So stick around. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a little bit of a hack really. I don't know if it's going to work. I've had this for a number of years. It's a paint stripper and I bought this attachment to go on the end of it, and what I want to do is I want to see if it works like a hot air station. So I'm going to try and melt a couple of these off, and I want to see if you can use it for resoldering as well, because like a computer chip like this, you're never going to get it off with what's it called, a soldering iron. So let's have a look. Let's see if this works. It just slips on the front there. It's got 3 settings on there, so let's see if it works. Don't know if it will. There you go. So there you can see that definitely takes it off. I don't want to pick that out because it's going to be red hot. It took it off quite. I don't know if that's not long or normal, but that definitely take off components. And let's see if it blows it away, or it's going to be okay. I don't think it will. Oh, the board's warm. You can feel the heat. The only thing is, something went pop on it a bit earlier. I think it was one of these components. I was probably running it too hot. But yeah, I think if you've got one of these and you want to strip these components off, I think that could be the way. But whether it actually works as a hot air, let's try it on one of them. Let's try it on one of those. Let's see, might make one of these caps explode, but part of the fun, I suppose. Turn it on number 1. So number 2 now. Yeah, that's come off, look. That's come off. See it? I'd say let's save that as well. I mean, we can try it with putting it back on. I'm not going to flux it all up or anything like that, because this is only like a little experiment. Oh, might have to nail this down, pin it down with something. I'm not going to try and get it on straight. I'm just going to zip it. Now it'll sit back on. It's not on straight. That it did melt. That's back on. So there you go. If you don't want to spend out £150 on a hot workstation, a hot air station, whatever they're called, get yourself a paint stripper. It probably would come with one of these attachments. But if it doesn't, you can buy these cheap on eBay or wherever. And paint stripper. There you go. There's a life hack for you. Please like and subscribe. More coming. And I'm going to do a video on salvaging all these parts off of these and reclaiming some precious metals out of them. So please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.